From the dusty pages of history, we unearth interesting topics and events that have truly happened. This is an audio article. What you are about to hear are the deep imprints left by the past on today. If you're ready, we're opening the doors of time. Now, the Doomsday Vault, our future heritage and the insurance of the plant kingdom. Today, we're going to talk about a colossal and silent step taken towards the future, considered one of humanity's significant turning points. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault, also known as the Doomsday Vault, hidden among Norway's polar ice caps. Let's discover together how this unique insurance policy, designed for the plant kingdom, rose as the guarantor of our future heritage, and how it was tested by historical events. As our world grapples with global challenges like climate change, natural disasters, wars, and population growth, the pressure on humanity's food resources increases daily. These threats impact not only our present, but also the lives of future generations. It's at this very point that a structure quietly rising in one of the world's most remote corners, beneath the polar ice, steps in as humanity's doomsday precaution against all these anxieties: the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. This vault, acting as an insurance policy for the plant kingdom, was built as a guarantee of a future legacy. So, how did this massive structure come into being? What does it contain? And what does it mean for the future? In the early 21st century, scientists and world leaders began observing a rapid decline in global biodiversity, particularly in the genetic diversity of agricultural plants. Factors such as climate change, habitat loss, and increasing population threatened this genetic richness. This situation laid the groundwork for the idea of a last resort granary against potential global catastrophes, ensuring a safeguard against the risk of complete annihilation of plant diversity on Earth in the event of a nuclear war, pandemic, or major climate disaster became vital. Norway's Svalbard archipelago was identified as the ideal location to preserve this global heritage. Located approximately 1,300 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle, near the town of Longyearbyen, this region stands out with its unique geographical features. The vault was constructed deep within the mountains, inside the permafrost layer. This natural cooling system ensures that seeds remain frozen for decades, even without electricity. Financed by the Norwegian government, this massive project opened its doors to the world in 2008. The primary purpose of the Svalbard Global Seed Vault is to protect the global diversity of agricultural plants against potential global catastrophes and to secure it for future generations. The vault functions as a backup copy, or security chest, for seeds held in each country's own gene banks. In specially designed airtight moisture and radiation-resistant rooms, seeds are stored in special packaging at a constant temperature of -18 degrees Celsius. This low temperature minimizes metabolic activity, allowing seeds to remain viable for decades, even hundreds of years. It contains millions of seed samples, ranging from staple food crops like corn, wheat, and rice, to lesser-known local varieties. Each seed box belongs to the country from which it was taken and can only be retrieved by that country, making the vault a project of global cooperation. The vault faced its first real test in 2015 during the Syrian civil war. The operations of ICARDA, a significant gene bank in Aleppo housing a crucial collection of drought-resistant wheat and barley varieties, were severely disrupted by the war. ICARDA requested the return of its backup seeds previously sent to Svalbard. This event marked the first instance of a country withdrawing seeds from Svalbard. The retrieved seeds were used to re-establish genetic diversity and replant crops in regions struggling with drought and famine. This historic moment demonstrated that Svalbard is not merely a theoretical Doomsday Vault, but a practical solution to real-world crises, solidifying its vital role in the global food security chain. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault is a silent yet monumental symbol of humanity's concerns for the future, its scientific vision, and global cooperation. It plays a critical role in preserving genetic diversity and ensuring food security in the face of threats to plant species. This vault serves as a bridge between the wisdom of the past and the possibilities of the future, reminding us once again of nature's fragility and human ingenuity, standing as a beacon of hope and resilience. Even in the face of grim scenarios, Svalbard is a powerful example of humanity's effort to protect its common heritage and leave a more secure world for future generations. Dear listeners, today we didn't delve into the depths of history, but rather into the seeds of the future. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault as a unique precaution taken by humanity against difficult times, allows us to look to the future with hope. Let's remember that drawing lessons from the past and building the future is only possible by preserving knowledge and life. Until our next Notes from History episode, where we'll unlock the doors to another historical event, goodbye.